Just a 10-minute drive away from downtown Ningqi, southwest China's Tibet Autonomous Region, sits Kala, a village dubbed the Village of Peach Blossoms. Kala boasts more than 1,200 wild peach trees, with the oldest one being more than 600 years old. The village is surrounded by pink flower blooms in spring. Villagers in Kala used to be annoyed when their restful lives were disturbed by trespassers hopping in to savor the quaint peach blossoms around their houses and farms. They would simply cut down peach trees for firewood or build fences to solve the problem of irksome trespassing. The village committee later figured out a way to make both villagers and tourists happy, developing tourism. Thanks to booming tourism, the earnings of the locals started to increase.
现在呢，我们这个村呢，党和国家的好政策下，也修得漂漂亮亮的，然后路也修好了，家里的这些水电都通了，生活过得越来越好了，家里的收入也越来越好了。我是一个跑运输的，跑运输一年收入的话10万左右。第二个呢，是我们陶汉园门票收入要年底要分到10万左右。然后呢，我土地流转，还有种的园丁那些，总共加起来的，我家里头收入30万。我们日子过得越来越开心了。